A social media strategy is a plan for how you're going to use social media to achieve specific marketing goals. It outlines the actions you're going to take to achieve your goals and how you're going to measure success. Having a social media strategy for your pub can bring several benefits, like understanding who it is you're trying to target online, or being more organised about how your social media is managed, and also making it clear how you're going to measure your social media activity. The process of creating a strategy should include researching how others are using social media and also what the current trends are in food and drink social media marketing. A social media strategy might look something like this. So here is an example of a social media strategy, a fictional pub called the Royal Oak. You can see this strategy is fairly straightforward with different sections which you can fill out to understand exactly what your objectives are going to be. Creating a social media strategy involves a few key steps, such as creating your purpose. That's what your pub stands for. So think about your unique selling points and the sort of atmosphere that you wish to create. Then your goals. What is it you're trying to do with social media? Then your audience. Maybe you've got a primary audience. Then you might also attract a secondary audience. And there may be key segments that you're aiming to attract, like families or nature lovers or dog owners, for example. Then you would state which social media platforms you're going to be focused on. And 2 is plenty. You may well wish to go up to 3 perhaps. Then you would be planning your content, your process, your team. You'll be thinking about your growth tactics, measurement, and customer service. So you can download this example social media strategy in the notes on this video and start to fill out your approach to social media. It shouldn't take too long, and at the end of it, you'll have 2 or 3 pages of A4 that is your plan for social media. Your social media strategy should align with your overall business objectives at your pub. So use social media to help you with the following. Social media can of course help you to increase your sales by promoting special offers or events that drive revenue. You can enhance your brand recognition by consistently showcasing your pub's unique identity, your logos, your signage, and what makes your pub unique to attract new customers. And building a community is incredibly important because if you can create a social media community that fosters a sense of belonging, you can get so much value out of your social media followers. It's so important to build a social media community which is supportive, your community which will feed back and give you insight, and a community that will shout about you to potential new customers too.